Welcome to the Using LED Flash for Alerts on an iPhone course. In this video, you'll learn how to make the light from your phone's camera flash when you receive a notification. This can be helpful as email, text and phone notification sounds are often short and easy to miss. From the home screen, tap on the Settings app. Once the Settings menu opens, scroll down and tap Accessibility. Scroll down to Audio, Visual, then tap on it. At the bottom of this screen, you'll see the LED Flash for Alerts setting. To turn this setting on, tap the switch so that it turns green. Now, when you receive a notification, the light from your phone's camera will flash, which is handy if you're in a noisy environment or are hard of hearing.